What really happens on a 100,000 pig mega farm? Inside modern pig farming.
Inside this facility, over 100,000 Berkshire pigs are raised annually, showcasing the immense scale of modern production.
While most people are still asleep, a giant pig farm is already awake. We have a critical temperature spike in barn 4B. Deploying response team immediately. Thousands of pigs depend on constant monitoring every minute of every day.
A small issue can become a major problem if it is not addressed quickly.
We're approaching the south barn now, ETA 2 minutes.
The farm's environmental systems never stop working. Fortunately, the problem is identified before it affects the pigs.
Quick response helps prevent unnecessary risks.
And this is only the beginning of another day. Before landrace pigs can eat, enormous quantities of feed must be prepared.
Feed safety begins before ingredients enter production. Every ingredient must meet strict standards.
A farm this size consumes enormous amounts of feed. Nutrition is one of the foundations of pig production. Precision helps ensure consistency.
Thousands of Duroc pigs will soon receive their first meal of the day. As the sun rises, feeding begins.
Every feeding event is carefully managed.
Nutrition data is collected continuously. Information helps guide daily decisions. The youngest pigs require special attention.
Every piglet is monitored closely.
Early growth depends on proper nutrition and care.
Young Duroc piglets are sensitive to environmental changes.
Technology helps maintain stable conditions.
Thousands of piglets are growing across the farm.
Biosecurity protects pig health.
Monitoring helps identify issues early.
A healthy start improves future performance.
Every department contributes to the larger operation. Thousands of tasks happen every day on a large-scale pig farm. But a new problem is about to test the farm's ability to protect its youngest pigs. Young piglets are extremely sensitive to temperature changes. Every minute matters when thousands of piglets depend on a stable environment.
The team must identify the problem before conditions deteriorate.
Technology can sometimes fail, but preparation helps reduce risk. Redundant systems help ensure piglet safety.
problem is resolved before it can affect piglet welfare.
Constant observation remains one of the most valuable tools on the farm.
The youngest pigs can continue growing normally. Elsewhere on the farm, another important process is underway. Every future piglet begins long before birth. Healthy pregnancies require continuous care.
Nutrition supports both the sow and her developing piglets.
Comfort helps improve reproductive performance. Technology provides valuable insight during pregnancy.
Every pregnancy is carefully tracked.
Months of preparation are required before birth.
Planning helps coordinate one of the busiest areas of the operation.
Preparation begins long before labor starts.
Every detail is designed to support newborn piglets. The final stage of pregnancy is approaching. After months of preparation, the moment finally arrives.
Careful observation helps ensure a safe delivery.
Every birth is unique.
A new life begins.
The first minutes are critical. One by one, the litter grows. The next challenge begins immediately. Early nutrition is essential for survival and development.
Across the farm, similar moments happen every day.
Most piglets begin life successfully, but one tiny piglet is about to face a challenge that could determine its future.
We monitor the climate constantly and use this system to ensure the automated feeders dispense the precise amount of feed. From the moment our Duroc piglets are born, we focus on efficiency. That includes converting all farm waste into sustainable biogas energy.
For this tiny piglet, the first hours of life may be the most important.
Without enough milk, survival becomes much more difficult.
Early action can make a critical difference.
Sometimes success depends on a few simple actions.
The piglet finally receives the nutrients and immune support it desperately needs.
The situation is improving.
The first days of life are filled with rapid change.
Every piglet receives individual attention.
Warmth is essential for newborn piglets.
Growth begins almost immediately.
A difficult beginning does not always determine the outcome.
Thousands of similar success stories occur across large-scale pig farms.
As piglets grow, their journey continues. Biosecurity remains a priority at every stage.
Weaning represents a major milestone.
Nutrition changes as piglets develop.
Careful observation helps reduce stress. Growth accelerates during this period.
The farm's next generation is developing quickly. This is where much of the farm's production takes place. Consistency is one of the keys to efficiency.
Daily inspections remain essential. Healthy pigs grow more efficiently.
Every pig depends on reliable access to clean water.
Water management is a major operation in itself.
Clean water supports animal health and productivity.
Technology helps identify potential problems early.
Large-scale pig farming depends on teamwork.
But another challenge is beginning to emerge. The farm now faces a race against time to protect its feed supply. A farm this size depends on a constant flow of feed every single day. The numbers reveal a growing problem. The team begins responding immediately.
The first step is finding the source of the issue. Sometimes success creates unexpected challenges. The solution requires action across multiple departments.
Supply chains help keep the farm operating.
Quality cannot be sacrificed for speed.
Thousands of kilograms of feed are produced every hour.
The strategy is working.
The challenge has been successfully resolved.
But feeding pigs is only part of the operation.
Large farms require large-scale waste management.
Nothing is left unmanaged.
Technology helps improve efficiency and environmental management.
What many people consider waste can become a valuable resource.
Farm captures energy from biological processes.
Waste is transformed into usable power.
Sustainability and efficiency often work together.
Reliable equipment is essential on a farm this size.
Preventing failures is often more important than repairing them. Preparation reduces risk. Every department contributes to the success of the operation. Every system ultimately exists to support the pigs. The scale of the farm is difficult to appreciate from the ground. Only now does the true scale become visible. Thousands of Berkshire pigs, hundreds of systems, one connected operation. What appears simple from the outside is remarkably complex. Every hour, every African American male worker, and every system plays a role in keeping the farm running. What happens on a large-scale pig farm? More than most people could ever imagine. From feeding